हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर पी ब्लॉक में से एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे, जिस टॉपिक का नाम है कंपाउंड्स ऑफ जीनोन। So our first xenon compound is xenon difluoride. So how xenon difluoride is prepared? It is prepared by heating a mixture of xenon and fluorine in an equimolar ratio of 2:1 at 673 Kelvin temperature in a sealed nickel vessel at a pressure of 1 bar to give xenon difluoride. The structure of xenon difluoride is linear. It involves sp3 hybridization, which adopts trigonal bipyramidal geometry in which three positions are occupied by lone pair. Because the symmetrical arrangement of the lone pairs, the net repulsion on the xenon-fluorine bond pair is zero. Thus, xenon difluoride has linear structure. Reaction with water. Xenon difluoride react with water to give xenon and hydrogen fluoride and oxygen. Our next xenon compound is xenon tetrafluoride. It is prepared by heating xenon and fluorine in a molar ratio of 1:5 in nickel vessel at a temperature of 873 Kelvin and 6 to 7 bar pressure to give the final product of xenon tetrafluoride. Structure. Xenon has carefully in a structure as you see in the picture, and it involves sp3d2 hybridization and octahedral geometry, which means the two positions are occupied by the lone pair. Reaction with water. Xenon react with water to give a highly explosive compound xenon trioxide, but if the reaction is controlled at minus 80 degrees centigrade, it gives xenon oxyfluoride. Xenon hexafluoride. How xenon hexafluoride is prepared? Xenon hexafluoride is prepared by heating xenon and fluorine in the molar ratio of 1:20 at a temperature of 573 Kelvin and pressure 60 to 70 bar to give xenon hexafluoride. Structure. Xenon hexafluoride has distorted octahedral structure, which means the six positions are occupied by the fluorine and the lone pair is present at the center of the trigonal face, which involves sp3 d3 hybridization to give distorted octahedral structure. How xenon hexafluoride react with water? Xenon hexafluoride, when react with water, it gives explosive xenon trioxide and hydrogen fluoride. What if careful hydrolysis in nickel vessel is take place, then a colorless stable liquid xenon oxy tetrafluoride is obtained. Our next xenon compound is xenon trioxide. Xenon trioxide is prepared by the hydrolysis of xenon hexafluoride. It having a pyramidal structure and it involves sp3 hybridization to give a pyramidal structure in which three positions are occupied by the oxygen atom and one position is occupied by a lone pair. Our next xenon compound is xenon tetraoxide. Xenon tetraoxide is prepared by the action of sulfuric acid on sodium xenate at room temperature, and it involves tetrahedral structure and sp3 hybridization in which all the four positions are occupied by the oxygen atom. Next xenon compound is xenon oxidifluoride. Xenon oxidifluoride is prepared by the slow hydrolysis of xenon tetrafluoride at a very low temperature. Structure: xenon oxidifluoride has T-shaped structure which involves sp3 dehybridization and it having trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Next xenon compound is xenon oxy-tetrafluoride. Xenon oxy-tetrafluoride is prepared by the hydrolysis of xenon hexafluoride and it is also prepared by the action of silicon dioxide with xenon hexafluoride at a temperature of 50 degree centigrade. Structure: xenon oxy-tetrafluoride has square pyramidal structure and it involves sp3d2 hybridization. Thanks for watching this video.